Honorable Chief Guest, Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Mr. Dr. Samantanal Sen, Honorable Minister for Youth and Sports, Mr. Nazmul Hassan, President, Bangladesh Association for Pharmaceutical Industry, Mr. Abdul Muqtadir, Mr. Hassan, VP EPB, Mr. Paresh, GP Expo, Mr. SM Shafir Jaman, Secretary Bapi, and Vice President Mr. Halim Jaman, and all the participants from home and abroad, representative from the print and electronic media. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. I express my gratitude for the organizer for arranging a very special occasion to invite me in this session. Bashar Mas, Bangalir Gaurober Mas, ami ei Bashar Masher ami Bashar Shohidder স্মরণ করি যাদের আত্মত্যাগে স্বাধীনতার বীজ বপন হয়েছিল। আমি আরো স্মরণ করি হাজার বছরের শ্রেষ্ঠ বাঙালি বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমানকে, যার দৃঢ় নেতৃত্বে আমরা এই স্বাধীন দেশ পাইছিলাম এবং যার কারণে আমি এখানে দাঁড়াইছি, আপনারা আজকে এখানে আসছেন, আমাদের দেশের আজকে এত উন্নতি। আমি আরো শ্রদ্ধা জানাই সেই 30 লক্ষ শহীদ এবং 2.5 লক্ষ মুক্তিযোদ্ধার যাদের আত্মত্যাগে দেশ স্বাধীন হয়েছিল। The Asia Pharma Expo brings together thousands of visitors, entrepreneurs, and industrialists to this international exhibition. And this exhibition on pharmaceutical industry will play a very important role in promoting Bangladesh and also the South Asian pharmaceutical industry to the world. As you know, Bangladesh is an emerging hub for the pharmaceutical in the world, and it is one of the fastest growing sector in our country. As already you know, we are exporting our product to the more than 150 countries, and this pharma sector is producing drug and other product following the WHO guideline and the GMP guideline. And some of our leading pharmaceutical company has been accredited by major regulatory authority such as US FDA, UK MHRA, EU TGA, Australia. This sector has proven its capability for a diverse range of products which require sophisticated and advanced technology. The DGDA is working constantly to ensure the compliance with the GMP guidelines. As you know, the DGDA is one of the organizations in the world that regulate the product with a very high quality. We are going to obtain the maturity level 3 very soon, and only 52 countries has obtained maturity level in the world. Of them, 28 are the European Union country, and Bangladesh is going to be the 53rd country to obtain the maturity level 3, and we hope that our product will be exported to whole over the world, as our President expected that we could export within few years from 2 to 300 million to 6 billion, up to 6 billion which is our target within 26 to 27. So we hope that within short time our product will be exported to whole over the world at a large volume and with a very sophisticated product like vaccine and biosimilars, which has a great value we hope that we should be able to export this product within next few years. As you know, Bangladesh government has taken so many steps, like we have passed the Drug and Cosmetic Act in the September 23, and with this we have made guideline for cosmetics, medical devices and nutraceutical. We hope that this will open another avenue for our production and also for the export. Government has also taken a step, and as you know, the API Industrial Park, which has got 42 plots, and also the NBR, National Board of Revenue, has exempted tax for the precursor molecule for the API. As you know, these precursor raw materials are required for our various products. So for the pharmaceutical sector, this will be exempted from the tax, and at the same time they will get the incentive for export, 10% incentive. Previously it was 20%, presently it is 10% incentive. So I hope that this type of incentive from the government will increase our capability to produce the API along with the finished product. We believe that pharma sector will become one of the largest export-oriented sector in coming days after garment sector, as BP has said. We hope that it will be number 2 exporting sector within few times. I hope our industry will continue to explore avenues of growth, and this type of expo will continue to benefit the industry through a meaningful interaction and association. I would like to thank Bangladesh Association of Pharmaceutical Industry for organizing this huge event, and thank you, sir, you all for this gracious and make this event a great success. Joy Bangla, Bangladesh চিরজীবী হোক।